Alright, this is a demonstration of Diff Tool, an add-in for SolidWorks. The purpose of this tool is to help designers log changes to drawings. So before I make some changes to this drawing, I'm going to go up to the Tools menu, Diff Tool, Save State, and this will save all the trackable objects in the drawing. Now let's make some changes. I'm going to get rid of this note 3. And let's just add some placeholder text. Let's add a row here. Let's add a note. Some and some surface finishes, just to give you an idea of the capabilities of this tool. I'm going to change this round radius from 0.03 to 0.04. Okay, so now I've made those changes. Let's run the compare states command. So there's two options, verbose and condensed. I'll show you the difference between these two in a minute. Let's start with verbose. So the changes have been copied to my clipboard. They've been summarized. I'm going to move this over. So you can see that it's summarized those changes here. We've removed former paragraph 3. We've changed paragraph 3 symbol from 4 to 3, right? This used to be 4. We changed the note paragraph 3 text. Remember, we added that S at the end there. We added that new row. We changed the round radius primary text, right? And the default value, as well as the overall text. We added this note. This is a test. And we added the surface finishes to drawing view 8 on sheet 1. Now we'll see the difference between verbose and condensed. So I'm going to run the condensed output. I'll just go down here. So the main difference is, I think really the only difference is this is summarized, right? So for the dimensions, you can actually summarize the output in the overall text. Here you're getting a lot of tracking on the internal members, which is unnecessary really. If you just want to see the text, that should be sufficient for you. It tells you everything you really need to know. We can also give annotations names to help with tracking. So you can see I have this name option here. I've right-clicked one of these surface finish symbols, and you can see it has an internal name that SolidWorks gives it. But if I want to give it a unique name to help with tracking, I can. So let's call it special surface finish. And if I don't want to commit those changes, I can just press escape and it'll close out of this a little dialog. But I'm going to hit enter, and that will have changed the name. So you can see here, it's got saved. So now if we run the tool again, you can see instead of just added surface finishes to drawing view 8, now it's used our name as the identifier instead of just the object type. So the naming tool is supported by most annotations. You can find a complete list on the website. The dimensions, normally, I mean, you're going to want to name these inside your model, right? But any dimensions that you don't name, the tool will give a randomly generated ID to. That way you don't have collision issues between dimensions. All right, I think that concludes the demo. Thanks for watching.